Hey, this is Earthcat Mushrooms, and today we're talking about monotubs and how you can build them at home. So this monotub in particular is an Iris brand, 16 quart. I like this size, it's a really good size for a lot of different things. I've drilled a lot of the holes already. I'm gonna show you how to do that in just a bit too. The biggest thing about this monotub though is the gasketed lid. So you can see here, it has gasket in the corners. What's important about that is with the gasket, you don't have to, once you get your substrate in there and it's at field capacity, you don't have to open it up, spray water, you don't have to do any of that stuff. Get the gasketed lids. They make these in a bunch of different sizes. The 16 quart works for you. That's great. They have other sizes as well though. So what I've done on here is I've put some patches on already. These are filter patches. These are from Micropose. I'll put the link in the description for you. And what these are is 0.3 micron 3M adhesive patches. And they stick on right here. So what I've done is put 2 holes here, 2 on the other side. I haven't put the patches on yet, I would do that for you. And then 1 at the top and on the opposite as well. What that's gonna do is make airflow for you. So when you have air coming in, air comes in here and it goes out of the top. So what you're gonna do essentially is when you have your mushroom substrate in here, you're gonna put your liner up to the hole here. And what that's gonna do is allow air to come in, get rid of that CO2, and it's gonna push it out of the top filters. So real important to have that airflow. That way you don't have to open the tub at all. So gasketed lid, put your airflow holes in the correct spot. You want at the bottom and at the top on the opposite ends. So what I have here is the Micropose filters, and like I said, these are 3M sticky. So you can see on the back side, hopefully you can see it in the video, but the stickiness is just around the edge. So what I've done here, these are 1-inch filter patches. So I've used a 1-inch, this is a spade bit. You can use this, or they make these as well. I don't know the name of these, but these you can use as well. Either one works. Find the spade bit, works pretty good. What you're gonna do with that is obviously put it on a drill. You're gonna cut through the tub, and then it'll leave some plastic, depending on this tub leaves a little bit of plastic once I use this. So I'll take a little razor knife and cut all that off. That way it's nice and smooth here. Patches are super easy to put on. You just take it off. And what I do is I flip the tub where the hole is, flip that over. That way you can see, and then I'll line it up for the adhesive so it doesn't go on the hole. And you stick it on, rub it a few times with your hand. That's 3M stickiness. It's gonna stay on there for a long time. It's gonna last you a long time. Same thing on this side. Line it up, push it on. It's that easy. Like I said, you can get these at Micropose. I'll put the link in the description for you. So that's it on monotubs. Super simple. Like I said, you can get these in a bunch of different sizes. Main thing to look for is a gasketed lid. A lot of the websites call them watertight lids. Definitely get the watertight lid, and once you have everything in here, fuel capacity is correct. Once you seal it up, you never have to worry about it until you harvest. It's the best thing ever. We'll find you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.